okay, and you have to write two digits, two numbers here. Log of something, log of which number are you going to find? That number you have to write here. Log of 49 to the base 7 is 2. Okay, my dear students. So here I have explained so many things here. So I'm going to teach you a logarithm. The basic things I explained here. Basic things I have already explained. So here again I'm going to teach you the basic thing only very deeply. Okay. If a to the power b equal to x, if a is raised, okay, to b, okay, to the power b is if equal to x, then b is called, listen here, this b is called the logarithm of x, logarithm of x to the base a, to the base a. In short form or logarithmic notation, if you have to write this, you can write in this way: log of x to the base a is b, log of x to the base a is b. Okay, this is how we write this type of form. This is called exponential or you can say index notation. This is called logarithmic notation. Okay, index notation is converted to logarithmic notation. You have to try to understand here. Okay, another example: a to the power 7 equal to p. Okay, it means this is the exponent, and we know that logarithm means the exponent. Logarithm means directly it means exponent only. Okay, exponent of some particular number, some particular value to a particular base, okay, is called its exponent, or sorry, logarithm. So 7 is the logarithm of p. Okay, okay, you can say logarithm of p to the base a is 7. You see a logarithm of log of p. I have not written long logarithm, I have written short form log. You can say logarithm, we say log. Log of p to the base a is 7. So in short form you can say log p to the base a is 7. Okay, this is called, I have already told you, index notation or index form. This is called logarithmic notation or logarithmic form. Okay, so here you see 10 square, 10 to the power 2, 10 square equal to 100, means log of 100 to the base 10 is 2. Okay, so logarithm of 100 to the base 10 is 2. Got my point? In short, we can say log of 100 to the base 10 is 2. So this is called logarithmic notation. Okay, so now is here 9 to the power half equal to 3. It means log of 3 to the base 9, log of this 3 to the base 9 is half, 1 by 2. Logarithm of 3 to the base 9 is half, that is 1 by 2. In short form or in logarithmic notation, you can write in this way: log of 3 to the base 9 is half. Got my point? Now remarks, I want to give you one remarks also. You always remember that logarithm of only positive real numbers are defined. Okay, you cannot find log of negative numbers. Okay, you cannot find the log of negative numbers. We can find only the log of positive numbers. Okay, only the log of only positive real numbers are defined. Now 7 square is 49. Here we can say 7 square is the exponential form of 49, isn't it? Here what do we say? That 7 square is the exponential form of 49, we say. And 7 square is equal to 49 is equal to log of 49 to the base 7 is 2. Exponent is 2. So this is the log of 49 to the base 7 is 2. So log of 49 to the base 7 is 2. It is the logarithmic form of logarithmic notation. Okay, my dear student, be attentive here in the video. Here we learn how to express exponential form into logarithmic form. Okay, here we learn how can we convert the exponential form into logarithmic form, like 10 to the power 3. 10 to the power 3 equal to 1000. Okay, so it means log of 1000 to the base 10 is 3. If there is 30 in case of 10, the value it comes like this. You see here, log of 1000 to the base 10 is 3. Log of 100 to the base 10 is 2, because 202 value is also 2. So here you see log of how much? 1 lakh. Log of 1 lakh to the base 10 is 5. Log of 1 lakh to the base 10 is 5, because 50. Okay, if there will be 505, value will be 5. Here you see 0.2 to the power 2 equal to 0.04. It means log of this number, okay, log of this number to the base 0.2 is 2. Log of 0.04, okay, log of 0.04 to the base 0.2 is 2. Are you understanding here how to write exponential form into index form? Oh, sorry, that is logarithmic form. Okay, you see here 3 to the power minus 3. 3 to the power minus 3 equal to 1 by 27. Okay, it means log of 1 by 27. Log of 1 by 27 to the base 3 is minus 3. Log of 1 by 27 to the base 3 is minus 3. Power is minus 3. So log is minus 3. So here we learn how to convert logarithmic form into exponential form. In this video here I have taught you how exponential form is converted to logarithmic form. So here we learn how logarithmic form to convert into exponential form. Okay, very simple thing. You see here, log of 4 to the base 2 is 2. You always remember this. This can also be written in this way. I just want to teach you here also. This can be written in this way also. Okay, you see here, this is the base and this is log. Okay, log of 4 to the base 2 is 2. This is the exponential form. Sorry, this is the exponent, means this is the log. So you can write this, you can write, it is written in this way, or you can write in this way also. Okay, this is what you have to find the log. Log of 4 equal to, okay, 4 equal to 2 to the power 2. You could have written this in this form also. You can write this in this form also. Okay, so you see here, log of 4 to the base 2 is 2. So the base is 2. Log means the exponent. I have already told this is the log, so exponent equal to 4. Okay, so base is here, base to the power the log. You see here, this log of 4. Log of 4 is how much? 2 to this base. So to this base, log of 4 is 2. Okay, here you see here, log of 100 to the base 10 is 2. It means base is 10. Base is 10. We always write base down. This is the log. Log will be as exponent. Okay, log and exponent is similar. So okay, 10 to the power 2 equal to 100. Here you see. Okay, how to write. This is called logarithmic form. This is called index form or index notation. Okay, how to write, you try to understand here. Okay, very simple thing, very simple. Log of 32. Log of 32 to the base, or log of 32 to the base 8 is 5 by 3. This is the log. Okay, log is the exponent, so exponent it will be power. Okay, log is the exponent. Exponent means the power. So this should be the power of the base. Base is the 8 equal to 32. Okay, understood or not? The exponent, if you to this base, okay, 5 by 3 is the exponent to this base is 32. This is how we get the index notation form. Okay, so in short, we can understand that logarithm of any positive number to any base means power of that base which gives that number. Okay, here we learn how to find the value of x in the given logarithmic form. A very easy thing I'm going to teach you here. You see here, log of 243. Okay, here I will teach you how to find the value of x. Okay, if log of 243 to the base 3 is x, it is the, you always remember, this is called logarithmic notation or logarithmic form. Okay, so here this value is given equal to x, this log equal to x. Log of 243 to the base 3 is x, it is given. Now here we have to find the value of x. Here we have to find the value of x. How to find the value of x? Very simple. Now this logarithmic form should be converted to exponential form. Okay, logarithmic form should be converted to exponential form. Here try to understand. This is the log of 243. Log of 243 to the base 3. Base is 3. Log is x, means x is the power exponent. So 3 to the power x is 243. 3 to the power x is 243, because log of 243 to the base 3 is x. You have to find, it is given that this x is the log of 243. Okay, this x is the log of 243 to this base. So to this base, log is this, means exponent is this, value is this. Okay, we have already learned that what is log, we have already learned. So 3 to the power x is equal to 243. So here indices we have already learned. We have to make the same base, 3 to the power x. So this also 243 is also converted into its index form. Okay, how to convert it to index form? Very simple. 243 you have to just take out like this. Okay, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 27, 3 9, 3 3. Now 1 2 3 4 5. How many times 3? 5 times. So here I have written 243 is written 5 times. 3 to the power 5. Okay. Now base is same. If base same, powers will be equal. So x is equal to 5. Okay. X equal to 5. It means the value of x is 5. It means log of 243 to the base 3 is 5. Log of 243 to this base is 5. Okay, this is the answer. So here we learn how to find logarithm of any number to given base. See here. Question. One question, very simple question I have written here. Okay, just to make you understand. Find the logarithm of 64. You have to find the logarithm of 64, log of 64 to the base 4. So here you always assume x. Okay, log of any number is not given. Okay, log of any number is not given. In such a ground you have to always assume log is x. Okay, so it is given that log of 64 to the base 4 is given nothing. You have to find. So we have assumed x. So let log of 64 to the base 4 is x. Question is there, find the log. Okay, logarithm means log. Find the log of 64. You have to find this log of 64 to the base 4. Okay, so log of 64 to the base 4 is nothing. So we have assumed x. So this is the now what form it is? It is called logarithmic form or logarithmic notation. So now this need to be converted to index notation or index form or exponential form. Okay, so base is 4, base is 4. This is the log. Log means exponent. X is exponent. Now 64. 4 to the power x. Now you have to write, just to compare, this should also be converted into the index form. It is given in index form. So it is also converted to index form. If you multiply 4 3 times continuously, 4 multiply 4 multiply 4, then we get 64. So 4 to the power 3 is 64. Okay. Base is same. Indices we have already learned. So power will be equal. So x equal to 3. Okay. Find the logarithm of 64 to the base 4. Logarithm of 64 to the base 4 is how much? 3. We have obtained 3. So here, so my dear students, I will make another video. Okay, by giving other examples, because this video is going to be very long. Okay.